Hi guys, today I am here to talk about the one of the strongest stock in Indian Stock Exchange. Before starting that, I request you guys to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. You will get the notification for the upcoming videos. One more thing I want to tell you here is this is for the purely education purpose. I am not recommend any stocks to anyone to buy or sell. Uh, I am just putting my views. Read carefully the other documents and other risk factors before investing in any stocks. Don't blindly invest after seeing my videos. This is also my humble request to you guys. First of all, I come with the today's stock is ICICI Bank. From last 7 days, it shows some promising upcoming moves. Usually this stock is very strong only, but last 2 months what happened you are all knows. Market fell drastically, so this stock also got some corrections from 550 to some 325 it came. But some last 2 days, only one day it went 33 rupees up. Then I am curious about this and I went and studied the things about the stocks, and results show so much of promising things. 6 to 7 positive things are there in this stock. First one is company with high TTM and EPS growth. High TTM and EPS growth, earnings per share growth is more on this stock, so it is good sign and it is good for the investors. And growth in net profit increased in margin. Net profit margin is increased. It shows consistently increasing the profit of the stock. And increasing revenue in last 4 quarters. Consistently revenue increasing in last 4 quarters. All investors expecting this type of the things, like every quarter increasing revenue means stock value also increasing accordingly. We observed so many stocks like Infosys, TCS and all. They are all consistently increasing their revenues, and constant growth they are used to give to their investors. That's why stocks value rising. This is also a promising thing. Company zero promoters pledge. Still promoter not pledge any stocks to anywhere to take loan and all. Means company's financial condition is also good. FI and FPI investors increased their shareholding. Means foreign institutional investors and Indian investors like mutual fund investors and all those people are there. They increased their shareholdings. Do you know one thing? If FII and all, if they come to know if a company is not performing good, means they used to sell and they not increase their holdings. Even they hold also. They wait, and whenever price comes they sell and exit. That's all they are used to do. But they are increasing their holding, means it's the promising thing. So it's, if you buy this stock nowadays, means it may be beneficial even for small investors also. And my view on this stock is, now it's trading at 375. If it trades 2 to 3 days consecutively at 375, means next target is 400 and 410, and for 20 to 20 days target is 450. It is there. If anybody able to invest in this stock and able to manage the funds and all, means you can invest it up to good returns, from 30% return in 1 month. But I am telling you one thing, be cautious guys. If it come down up to 335, means exit. 335 to 330 means exit, because next target is 310 and 290 respectively. Buying side comes if it is trade above 342 only. But now it is trading in 375. If it trades more than 3 to 4 days in this rate, means you can purchase it and wait for the some 20 to 25 days. Target will reach definitely 450. And for intraday users, don't short this stock because it's very dangerous. Sometimes it went up like 10 to 15 rupees, it goes up sharply, so you may get huge loss. If you short some 500 600 quantity, means 25 30 rupees, means some 10 to 15k loss chances are there. So don't take risk. And buying also, don't use broker margin. What are all the amount you have, according to that only you can buy. And if it come down also, your risk will be very low. These are all my opinion, guys. For more videos, please expect and subscribe and stay on. Thank you.